Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. I have a problem with a Citroen Xsara Picasso 2000. They cancelled the EGR valve because the car was bad, it lost power and it threw a lot of black smoke. But now with the EGR cancelled the car is still the same or worse. How is it possible? Let's see. The first thing, as I have told you other times, cancelling the EGR valve is illegal, but it was part of that. It may happen that it is badly cancelled like this, or that they have cancelled it but have not put a plate to prevent the exhaust gases from returning to the ignition again, because due to these symptoms, these are usually the fault. They usually give them the fault the P0402 that this is excessive flow of the exhaust gases. It means that the EGR valve is damaged, but in the open position. Then all the gases are entering, as I say, the intake, that prevents more air from entering from the outside with oxygen, and that's why the vehicle is bad. It throws smoke and others, and it can even jerk, because you already know that the EGR valve only works when the vehicle is at idle or low revolutions. Okay, when you accelerate the EGR valve it closes to prevent gases from entering exhaust that are poor in oxygen. Okay, well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.